Hey guys! Naghahanap ka rin ba ng trabaho and interested ka maging call center agent? Well, this video is for you. Hi, this is Mimi and I'm gonna be sharing you tips on how to start your BPO journey, complete beginner's guide. I created this video to make sure that the viewers understand how the BPO industry works, what to expect, and how you can land your first job in the BPO industry in simple, friendly, and step-by-step way. At ano nga ba ang BPO or paano nga ba maging isang call center agent? Alamin natin yan. Over! What is BPO? BPO stands for Business Process Outsourcing. Panis. It means when a company hires another company or a third-party service provider to handle certain business tasks or operations instead of doing them in-house. The best example for this is, for example, si bank. Nakaka-receive si bank ng 500 calls per day about their products, services, complaints, and inquiries of the customer. So instead, si bank na mag-hire ng additional 500 persons or agent para sagutin yung mga tawag na yon, mag-hire si bank ng isang company which is the outsourcing company. So etong outsourcing company na to, sila yung nag-i-specialize sa pagiging customer service. So dito si bank ang gagawa nun, si BPO company na lang ang magte-take ng calls everyday para kay bank. And for the BPO company to do that, ituturo lahat ni bank ang process kay BPO company. So instead of si bank ang nakaka-receive ng mga tawag at sila ang mag-assist nun, lahat ng tawag ay mapupunta na lang kay BPO company and sila na ang mag-a-assist ng mga request, complaints ni customer. Another meaning of BPO is hiring another company to handle specific business processes so the main company can save money, focus on its core work, and to work more efficiently. There's a lot of things na kailangan mong matutunan at mapag-aralan if interested kang pumasok sa pagiging isang call center agent. And nothing to worry, you have me and I'm gonna be sharing a lot of tips and guides for you para madali na lang ang inyong journey sa pag-a-apply and pagiging isang call center agent. So please like, share, and follow for more. Bye-bye!